YouTube, once again, this is your boy Charlie B. I'm back with another one. I got a generator. Here's a generator. Seems to be locked up. It's locked up pretty tight. Can't move it at all. This time I got an idea how to fix it. I looked up a couple of things on YouTube and I saw where it says use some PB Blaster. So I got the PB Blaster. I bought it from a store. It cost $5 and some cent, but you could get it off of Amazon for $3.99 at the most. Well, at the least. Okay, didn't want to wait, so I went up to the truck stop here in my hometown and I got a bottle of it, which cost $5 and some cent. Altogether, came out to be $7. Yeah, those taxes are pretty high. But nevertheless, back to the generator. This generator I bought from a guy. It looked like it was in bad condition, but it cranked right on the first pull. So I went on and paid him $300 for it. It was already old and beat up. And I don't want to lose it because I feel like I paid too much for it. So I'm going to try this out and see if it works. And I'll get back with y'all when I get through. Thank you.